Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you add icon on iPhone. So guys, to add icon, at first you need to just go to your shortcuts. So just go to your shortcuts. Now after that, in the top right here you can see there is a plus icon. Click on it. Now here you can see add action. Click on add action. You can select scripting, so select scripting, click on open app. Now here you can see beside open there is app option. Click on app. Now just select the app for the icon. Now in the top here you can see open app. Click on here, and here you can see add to home screen. Click on it. Now from here you can change the name of the app. You can give anything you want. You can choose photo for the app icon, so click on this and choose photo from your photo library. Click on choose and click the top right add. Here you can see the app icon is here. If you click on this, the app will open. So guys, that's how you can add icon to iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.